So I am going on a city tour of Bogota today. Let's see what we have in store for you guys. Good, sir. John, good to see you, man. Good.
Yes, please.
All right, and Felipe here. Felipe, nice to meet you,
Hi,
sir.
Brian. Nice
good
to meet you.
Good to see you.
How are you?
Good. We're going to the
Gold Museum.
Okay, and this is the most famous gold museum in the world.
Depend how you wanna see, but for me, yes.
Well, you may be biased, okay?
But the only thing that is true, this gold museum is one of the more important museums in South America.
Right. But you know, I will say, in the context of obviously a lot of the gold was indigenous originally, but you could learn a lot about world history through gold.
Yeah.
And how much the Spanish came here, and how much of the gold ended up in Spain and other parts of Europe.
The only thing that I can say you is that the total gold that you can see on this gold museum is almost the 0.2 or 3% of the total gold. The rest percent is the Spanish stake.
One of my favorite things was the story about Cortez in Mexico, when he went to the Aztecs and they said, this is our God, and he talked about Jesus Christ, and then the Aztecs brought out the peyote, which is a hallucinogen, and he said, well, this is our God. This is how we talk to spirits.
Ceremony. So this lagoon was biggest before the Spanish colonized this place or discovered this place. You know why? Because the water get until the top, all of this, covered all of this.
Right.
But they broke this part of the lagoon.
Right.
Like this. So the water go this, and they can take the gold pieces of gold around of this arch.
That was well worth the price of admission.
So what do you think about this museum? Do you like this place?
I did. You know what? I didn't expect that. I didn't realize it had that strong indigenous component to it, and I think that's very important for helping me understand a lot more about how Colombia is organized in some weird way. You know, because you really do talk. What casitas?
No, cosmuis.
Cosmuis.
I call casitas, but in real it's chozas.
Just you throw three words at me that I can't remember now.
Chozas, but all of the different houses have different names.
Right.
There are his movies, ocas and malocas.
Okay.
Ocas is the typical choza where the family live.
Right.
Gracias.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
En Maloca,
Yeah.
Maloca is a big house,
Right.
choza,
Right.
that the indigenous have the meetings.
Right. But the leader is called again
Cacique.
Cacique.
Yes, the leader is cacique.
So he
But
from casa. Oh,
cacique is like a mayor,
right.
and the big president was called a Sipa.
Okay.
Sipa.
So,
So again, this was the other part of the. Is this part of the exhibit as well out here, or this is one of the regular pieces of public art?
this is a place called famous like a Emerald Square.
Okay.
You see all of these people around here are selling or buying emerald rocks.
Oh.
Yes, and this place is very funny because when get dark, so in the evening get dark,
Right.
there are a lot of people like this.
Checking for emeralds
Shaking for emerald, yes.
in case somebody drop one.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Look at all the.
And they kisses.
If you look at the rock closely.
And everybody kiss here.
Yeah.
So when the artist put the rock here, was a long line, and everybody used him.
That is so cool. I love that. What a lovely idea.
It's the symbol of was a expression of art in Bogota that was inaugurated with the other art around the city.
The Rock of Kisses. What's the name of the rock again? There's that.
Rock of Kisses,
Rock of Kisses. Okay. There you go.
Roca
right?
de los Besos. Piedra de los Besos, ¿no es?
I love this as a piece of public art. It's fantastic.
Weather in Bogota is crazy, no?
Okay.
Typical food from Colombia, typical juices.
Right. Oh, we have a.
This area has a lot of
This is an interesting place to be.
stalls.
Nativa. Benito. That's what they call Bad Bunny in Puerto Rico.
Ah, yes.
Here is Chorro de Quevedo. Is the place where Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada, captain of army, Spanish army, arrived to Bogota. Is the place where Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada arrived from Spain to here and created 12 houses
Okay.
in honor of 12 apostles.
Right.
Yes. And here, the name Chorro de Quevedo is like water jet. Yes. And Quevedo was a pride. Yeah. When the people to need water, the people say, go to the Quevedo for water. Because that's
the Quevedo.
exactly.
So this is the birth of Bogota right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Bogota evolved from around the 12 houses.
Yeah, Bogota 20 years ago was only this area. Yes.
Right.
Right now, Bogota is so big.
Yes.
No? But it's because another towns included in Bogota with the time.
Yes.
After.
Yeah, everything merges.
Yeah.
Okay.
This street is oldest street in Bogota, and the people believe that is the best too.
Okay.
Yes, there are a lot of bars.
Uh-huh.
If you like salsa,
Yes.
here is the best
Salsa club.
salsa club,
Right.
rock bars,
Right.
and the drink. The drink
Yeah.
is chicha.
Chicha?
Chicha is a fermented drink.
Okay.
Fermented drink with different fruits: lulo, lemon, mango.
In Mexico, they do something with the agave plant and fruits called pulque.
Yeah.
I kind of like pulque.
This-
Okay.
It's popular in Peru, in Mexico, different areas.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this was the first street in Bogota.
Yeah. Friday and Saturday, a lot of people to come here.
By the way, the chica or the drink, chaca,
Chicha.
chicha. It has a very little bit of alcohol in it, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, of course. Chicha.
Chicha.
Don't have alcohol, but if you drink, you will be very happy.
Yes. Oh, I know.
And here
Uh,
you can eat a happy brownie.
oh,
You
where
know
is
what
that?
is happy brownie?
Where is that?
Brownie
Yeah.
with marijuana?
Yes, I know. But that's not legal here, is it?
Yes.
What?
Yes. This is a Concordia supermarket.
All right.
Yes. It's a typical area
And
for
then,
supermarket, but it's the best. It's better Palo Quemado, of course.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my God! This is we need to do this. Yes. Look at this. Frutas.
Guanábana.
yeah.
You know guanábana?
We call that salsa.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Guanama.
Soup. Soup.
All right, hold on. I like this sort of stuff. But I tend to like this size or bigger. I like that. So you have to apply to the government to be in here, right? Gracias.
Oh,
Yes.
And we have the street of umbrellas.
Umbrellas Street. A lot of people.
I was starting with my Italian, my Spanish word for umbrella. Paraguas?
Paraguas.
Calle de Paraguas.
Calle de los Paraguas. Yeah, it's area for a lot of graffitis, culture.
I like that. Very interesting. Let us go walk through here.
yeah, it is important because a lot of artists can to paint different graffitis here.
Right.
After agree with the mayor in general, no? And it's a work between mayor and private people or companies. For example, in Bogota, in another area, there are station. The name is Graffiti District. Yes, and there are a lot of companies with big graffitis. Yes.
I like
Because-
I like the graffiti.
Yeah.
It adds a lot of character.
Yeah. This is Laura Pausini, singer from Italy.
Ah. I like that.
Yeah,
That's the
it's new.
neighborhood.
It's new.
And that's the neighborhood we're in.
Yeah, it's new.
And with downtown Bogota behind me. And with downtown Bogota behind me and a great day with Felipe and John. I had a wonderful time. Actually, we planned a city tour and we just kind of made it up, and we had a lot of good conversations that were very helpful for me to understand a lot more about the context of things and how things work here in Colombia. And they were very frank and very sharing about that. I shared a lot of things that I was observing, and they gave me a lot of great insights. It's fantastic. Okay, folks, signing off here from Bogota for tonight, and we have more Bogota content coming up. Thanks for watching. And remember, you too should go out there and taste the world.